Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101. And today we're going to be talking about mostly altcoins. I've been going hard on altcoins because, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the money is. We're going to talk about one stable coin, and when we get back, we'll get into the video. All right, first and foremost, I think when we're talking about cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and also stable coins, that we need to understand exactly what we're investing in. And a lot of us are just now learning about cryptocurrencies. So very quickly, I'm going to go over to investopedia.com so we can get a definition, okay? So this plainly states that altcoins is a combination of the two words alt and coin, and includes all alternatives to Bitcoin, The basic framework for Bitcoin and altcoins is similar. Thus, they share code and function as peer-to-peer systems or as a giant computer capable of processing large amounts of data and transaction at the same time. In some instances, altcoins also expire to become the next Bitcoin by becoming an inexpensive method for digital transactions. Okay, let's go down to stablecoin. Now, stable coins are cryptocurrencies trading and use have been marked by volatility since launch. Stable coins aim to reduce this overall volatility by pegging their value to a basket of goods such as fiat currencies, precious metals, or other cryptocurrencies. The basket is meant to act as a reserve to redeem holders if their cryptocurrency fails or faces problems. Price fluctuations for stablecoins are not meant to exceed a narrow range. Basically, what they're saying here is that stablecoins are not meant to be volatile. They're meant to be stable because they are backed by an external currency, whether it be a precious metal, a fiat currency, goods, a commodity, etc. Where these other altcoins are backed by technology, and that's pretty much it. They're not backed by precious metals or any other commodities or even the fiat currencies. So stable coins are more stable, and that's the name, stable coin. And that's why this particular coin could be kind of like a bond or ETF or index fund in the cryptocurrency market. And I think that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to make more stable coins versus altcoins because people are trying to do safer investments. But nonetheless, let's get into my first altcoin today. Now, granted, I've done another altcoin video. Those were very small, very low buy-in, low trading altcoins. These are going to be a bit high. So if you guys want to put more skin into the game, possibly make more profit, then this is the video for you. This is the video where you can go ahead and invest hundreds, thousands of dollars, and sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars to make more money, okay? And last but not least, we're going to talk about Shiba. Shiba has been essentially labeled as the Dogecoin killer, and I believe it. I believe that if you started investing now in Shiba, it has the potential to reach 20 cents. And believe me, if you buy in now, let's take, for instance, I'm throwing out some arbitrary numbers here. If you put $1,000 in Shiba right now and it reaches 25 cents, I mean, you could easily make 20 grand, okay? But anyway, let's get into it. All right, the first one on the mark here is Maker. Maker is a very, very popular one that a lot of people have not been talking about. I've seen some remnants, but a lot of people have not been really talking about Maker. If you notice, Maker is worth $5,478 per coin. And in the past week, it's been up 2%. The past month, it's been up over 147%, okay? 147%. The past year, Maker has been up 1,600%. I'm rounding up. And again, I know this is a large price tag, but don't forget, with cryptocurrencies, you do not have to buy the entire coin. You can just put $50 inside of this and make money off your $50, okay? So be very cognizant, be very aware of that. Good morning, Prime X. Now, we're just going to talk about a little bit about this. We're not going to get into the market capitalization and this, that, and the other. It says Maker is an Ethereum token that describes itself as a utility token, governance token, and recapitalization resource of the Maker system. The purpose of the maker system is to generate another Ethereum token called DAI that seeks to trade on exchange at a value of exactly $1. See, the Ethereum network is so important to the cryptocurrency market. I mean, it's the second most important cryptocurrency next to Bitcoin. And that's what we need to understand. Because this particular token, even though it's an altcoin, is also labeled as a utility token that runs under the Ethereum network. And then it also has the purpose to generate another Ethereum token called DAI. And that's what we're going to move to next. Now, DAI is that stablecoin that we were talking about. And we just did the definition about stablecoin. If I show you, whether it be 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, if you notice that the stablecoin is staying at $1. Now, it says here that DAI is a decentralized stablecoin running on the Ethereum that attempts to maintain a value of $1. Unlike centralized stablecoins, DAI isn't backed by the US dollar in a bank account. Instead, it's backed by collateral on the maker platform, which we just went over. It says, note, if the DAI credit system is upgraded or shut down, DAI holders may need to convert their DAI to Ethereum through the maker platform, okay? So again, I don't know why that's essentially pertinent. If you're trying to make this stable coin stable and you're talking about if it's shut down, that's really shady. I don't know if I would invest in this one, guys. But I wanted to bring this to your attention because all of these are connected to who? The Ethereum network, the Ethereum tokens, the government tokens, the utility tokens. And this is where the money is, believe it or not. Regardless if you believe it or not, when it comes to cryptocurrencies next to Bitcoin, these tokens, these altcoins, these stable coins is where the money is, okay? So if you're looking to investing, whether it be a high dollar amount or a low dollar amount, stable coins and also altcoins is where the money is, because Bitcoin, we know, is the most volatile cryptocurrency. But if you want to put more skin in the game and have more chances of making a lot more money, then altcoins, in my opinion, is the way to go. All right, let's move right along. This is the very popular one. This one is called Litecoin or Litcoin, however you want to pronounce it, Litecoin or Litcoin. And if you notice, this particular coin here is at $369. Now, over the past year, Litecoin has been up 777%. Let me blow it up just a little bit more. It's been up 777%. Over the past month, it's been up almost 48%. The past week, 6%, 24 hours, 2%, and the past hour has been down. But overall, this coin has been doing very, very well. And it's a very, very popular cryptocurrency, period. Now, it's the fourth most held on Coinbase. And as you can tell here down in the trading activity, 58% says buy, 42% says sell. Market capitalization of 24.3 billion, okay? It says Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. So again, a lot of these are trying to compete with Bitcoin, and they're doing a very, very good job. And ladies and gentlemen, this is where you should put your money. I believe that Litecoin, however you want to, I'm just going to call it Litecoin. Now, I like Litcoin better, but I think this is where you should put your money at. And this is where the rubber meets the road when you start making profits with cryptocurrencies and altcoins, okay? All right, so now this particular coin here, Bitcoin Cash, I don't know. I don't think I will invest my money in this one. This is my personal opinion. You may feel different. Let's look into it. All right, so Bitcoin Cash, over the past of a year, it's been up 532%. The past month, 116%. The past week, 21.5%. Past 24 hours, 4.3%. And the past hour has been down. This is what I'm a little sketchy about Bitcoin Cash. This right here. Where people are not aware of, people who are just following these altcoins and cryptocurrencies, you're looking at the current price. And you're like, okay, well, regardless, it's still up 164%. Now, if you're one of those ones who invested in Bitcoin Cash back in 2017, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It got up to $3,300. So a lot of people are still down. Now, it's been consistent lately. Once it dropped all the way down to $100 in February of 2019, or excuse me, December of 2018 into 2019, it has been going pretty much steady. It's been doing pretty well. And believe it or not, the trajectory of this particular stock has been going up, and it's showing more stability within the cryptocurrency market, okay? But when I go back to 2017, I'm like, this is very steep. Even Bitcoin hasn't been this volatile. Let me show you very quickly. Let me go over to Bitcoin. I wasn't going to do Bitcoin, but let me show you very quickly when it comes to Bitcoin. All right, do an overall. See Bitcoin itself, and like again, Bitcoin is still the most volatile cryptocurrency, but look at this. See, when I look at Bitcoin Cash and I look at Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin has been doing a lot of big things, okay? And as I'm looking at this, you can tell it's not already as volatile as Bitcoin Cash. So that's why me personally, I wouldn't put my money in Bitcoin Cash. Again, I think Maker is a good one. Litcoin is a good one. And then we're going to move right along to Compound, okay? Compound. Now, and again, we're talking about high-priced cryptocurrencies. If you want to see some penny altcoins, some penny cryptocurrency, look at my other altcoin video. I did it within the last week. Go and look for it. It says altcoins review. Go ahead and take a look at this. But all of these are pretty much over $100, except for the last one I'll be talking about. The last one I'll be talking about is Shiba. But for now, we're looking at Compound. Over the past year, Compound has been up over 1,100%. Over the past month, it's been up 86%. The past week, it's been up 6.5%. 24 hours, 4.7. And then all of the crypto, all the altcoins look like they are down. If we do all in all, it's been up again over 1,100%. So this coin has been doing very well. And then again, this coin is called Compound. Let's look into it. It is the 9th most held cryptocurrency on Coinbase. The market capitalization is 4.2. Now, when I look at the trading activity, they're just showing you on their particular platform what it's been. But listen, Compound has been making waves and it continues to do very good, okay? And if you have a Coinbase account, you can go over and get some free Compound by taking one of their 3-minute video courses, and you get $3 worth of Compound. I've already done it and I already got the money. So here it is. Compound, again, is an Ethereum token that enables community governance of the Compound protocol. The protocol is a series of decentralized interest rate markets that allow users to supply and borrow Ethereum tokens at variable interest rates. Comp token holders and their delegates can also debate, propose, and vote on changes to the protocol. So this is, again, another important token to the Ethereum network, okay? All right, let's see here. As we're looking over to the right, we're talking about price correlations. And if you're looking at a lot of these have to deal with the Ethereum network. A lot of these are Ethereum tokens. So you have Maker, Ethereum, Zcash, Ripple, XRP, Cardano, Anchor, a lot of New Cipher, a lot of these I've been talking about. But the one in this particular list that I want to look into is where it is, where I was going to go over, is Zcash. Zcash, okay? So Zcash, over the course of 1 year, it's been up 387% the past month, 56% the past week, about 45% the past 24 hours, 25%. Then, of course, all these altcoins are down. This is the 42th most held cryptocurrency on the Coinbase market. The market capitalization is 4.1 billion. And again, Zcash is a cryptocurrency that offers 2 types of addresses. Transparent addresses that are publicly visible on the Zcash blockchain, and shielded addresses that are moved private. Coinbase customers can receive Zcash from both transparent and shielded addresses and send Zcash to transparent addresses, okay? So a lot of these have a lot of price correlations. That's why I like the Coinbase platform. But when we get into this last coin, I have to figure out how to invest in this coin. Good morning, Killer 187. Good morning, Conscious Music Review by Muhammad. Okay, that's a long name, brother. And good morning, Mitchell Liggins. See, Killer 187 says, good thing I bought fractional shares of Ethereum at 1,600 for 900. Oh, wow. That's some really good profit. He also stating here, is my only steady stock so far. Okay, he's talking about stock. We're talking about cryptocurrencies today. Nonetheless, now Shiba. Let's get into Shiba. There's not a lot of information on Shiba on the Coinbase platform, but we can just do a quick review as far as the price. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see this? Now, Shiba has been up almost 2 million%. I mean, that's ridiculous. The past month, 27,000, almost 28,000%. The past week, 1,400%. Past 24 hours been down. And listen, the reason why this particular altcoin has been exploding, and now that you see that it's diving, people was investing in this coin, and some of you probably try to back the technology, and they're comparing it to Dogecoin. But listen, that's not it. They're just calling this the Dogecoin killer because both of them are dogs. Dogecoin started off as a joke, and it's not funny anymore because I made $1,600 off of Dogecoin. And I believe that if Shiba, now, when we look at all these darn zeros, ladies and gentlemen, there's money in the details. When you look at all these darn zeros, there's money in the details. This is not even a penny yet. This is not even a penny yet. And the reason why this is important, let me compare it to Dogecoin very quickly. I think we need to do some compare and contrast here. Give me a second. Let me go over to Dogecoin. This is prices. Let me look up Dogecoin very quickly. All right. And we just need to look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin fell back down to 49 cents, but look at Dogecoin, right? So these two are very, very similar the way they starting off. Now, if I go back here, now can you see that little pop-up? It's 0.0008. I mean, these are fractions of a penny. When I go over to Shiba and I see where they started off, I see, let me see when they first started making some profit. Let me go to 1 year. All right, we see 0.000028. So it's even less than Dogecoin. And it's been making people millionaires. Now, the market capitalization is 10.7 billion. But to get more information, let's go over to ShibaToken.com. Now, I'm going to read a little bit of this for you guys who are not familiar with Shiba. But again, I think this is a fight of the dogs. They're trying to make one dog bigger than the other dog. Elon Musk, believe it or not, doing a lot more research on finding out that he has a large stake in Dogecoin, that he possibly got together with some cryptocurrency makers and made Dogecoin. Okay, it made Dogecoin. But that's still out. That's just rumors right now. But Shiba token, decentralized meme tokens that grew into a vibrant ecosystem. Keyword in this is meme token. The same thing as Dogecoin. And it says Shiba Swamp Fund Tokens, Artist Incubator, growing 300,000 community and more on the horizon. Okay, and it goes into the ecosystem of Shiba. It says Shiba or Sheeb is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. Sheeb token is our first token and allows users to hold billions or even trillions of them, nicknamed the Dogecoin killer. Can we see that? It says the ERC20 only token can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time. Popular worldwide and already up thousands of percent, Shiba token is the first cryptocurrency token to be listed and incentivized on the Shiba Swamp, our decentralized exchange. Now, you can definitely go over here and buy Shiba on their network. Like me personally, I like to do with cryptocurrency platforms. That is where I like to buy my cryptocurrencies. So the only network, and me and my buddy of mine talked about this yesterday, the only network that I saw that you can essentially buy Shiba was on crypto.com. Okay. Did I just butcher that? Crypto.com. Okay. No, that's wrong. Here we go. This is the only platform that I see that you can actually buy Shiba. I've checked on Uphold, Coinbase, Webull, Robinhood. You can't find it. I think you can also invest in this particular coin on Binance. I'm not too sure. Let's see if they just have it right here. They have a lot of them. Let's look for it. SCIB. There it is, Shiba token. All right. So yes, you can buy Shiba token on crypto.com. Okay. I have yet to make an account, but I will today. And I'm thinking of dropping them maybe just a couple hundred in here because I think it's worth it. I really think it's worth it. And ladies and gentlemen, the same thing about Dogecoin. When people first started investing in Dogecoin was fractions of a penny. Fractions. Then it jumped all the way up, I think, to its highest point, anywhere between 75 and 78 cents. There have been a lot of Dogecoin millionaires, okay? And I'm not saying that you'll be a millionaire of investing in Shiba token, but there's a large possibility. And again, altcoins have been doing a lot better, in my opinion, over the past 5 years than traditional stocks. Don't stop investing in traditional stocks. But again, I told you at one point, your cryptocurrency, your portfolio of investing in different, whether it be commodities, precious metals, traditional stocks, and cryptocurrencies. At one point, I told you 15%. I really think you need to increase your portfolio to start investing in cryptocurrency at 25%. A quarter of your diverse portfolio of all the different real estate, commodities, oil, gas, beef, all these different commodities, precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, copper, and also traditional stocks, whether it be ETF index funds or individual shares of stocks. You should definitely recompute, can't even come up with the word, but resize your portfolio to make cryptocurrency 25%. And other than Bitcoin, all the other coins are altcoins. And the DAI coin, which is essentially generated by the maker coin, okay? So the maker token generates the DAI stablecoin. So again, there's a lot of things you can do with your money with the cryptocurrency market. And believe it or not, I've been making really, really good money. So very quickly, I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna look at my portfolio, okay? My portfolio has been doing pretty well. Let's see what else we got here. Conscious Music says, I just looked up Shiba on Robinhood. They don't got it listed. What's up with that? Conscious, I just told you, brother. One of the only platforms that has Shiba on it is crypto.com and I believe Binance. I'm not too sure, but I know crypto.com has it. Curtis Allen says Shiba is new. That's why it's not on Robinhood. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me look at you in the face here. Robinhood and Webull, they're not the best platforms to invest in cryptocurrencies. First things first, both platforms only list 7 cryptocurrency, 7. That's it. And I believe that Webull has Bitcoin Cash and Robinhood doesn't have Bitcoin Cash, but they only list 7 cryptocurrencies. Trivia question, can anyone tell me how many cryptocurrencies are there? Can anyone tell me how many cryptocurrencies are there? Well, instead of having you look it up, there's over 9,000 cryptocurrencies, ladies and gentlemen. 9,000 cryptocurrencies. 9,000. 9,000. That's how many. And Webull and Robinhood only list 7 apiece. That's it. So a good platform that I've been using, I'm still learning it a little bit better, is Uphold. Okay, I've been on Coinbase for quite some time here, but Uphold is a good one. And I believe that, again, I'm going to open up a crypto.com so I can go ahead and invest in Shiba, okay? I'm trying to figure out how some of these platforms are, one, making money. Of course, Coinbase has a fee when you're trading. But I'm looking into to make sure, one thing, it's stable, two, it's safe. Those are two things I'm worried about. I don't want the platform to be shut down and my money is locked in, okay? So those are the two things, stable platform and also that it's secure and safe, okay? So again, I'm going to open up a crypto.com account so I can invest in Shiba, okay? So here's my portfolio on Coinbase. And right now, I'm not doing too shabby. I'm doing pretty well. I'll show you my all, and that's how I've been doing. Now, if you can tell over the course of time, when I started off, my portfolio balance has grew exponentially, okay? Just like any other stock, I've been doing pretty well. So even I look here, 3,000, got up to 5,000, and I keep peaking and dipping, but just like the stock market, I keep going up. So I'm doing really well with my cryptocurrencies, okay? And just for you guys to see my portfolio, here are my assets, okay? I have $3,600 in Bitcoin. I have $1,700 in Ethereum. I have $1,600 in Stellar Lumens. I have $800 in Polygon Matic. I have $145 in Anchor. And this is just on the crypto, this is just on Coinbase platform, but I also have some money in Cardano on the uphill because you can buy Cardano on here. But the reason why I went to Uphold is that at the time I was trying to invest in Ripple, and Uphold was one of the only platforms I can find that you can invest in Ripple. So, but again, when we're talking about Shiba, ladies and gentlemen, you have to go over to crypto.com in order to invest in Shiba. So let's just read a little bit about it. I know you can't see it. Let me blow it up for you. Okay, here we go. It said okay, we just read this, okay? It says that Shiba token price page is part of crypto.com price index that features price history, price ticker, market cap, and live charts for top cryptocurrencies. So let's go back up here and let's go year to date. We're looking at the year to date for SHIB. This is where it's been. It's skyrocketed. Now it's on the dip. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me do the all. No data available. Okay, we'll just do year to date then. Okay, so as you can tell here that SHIB, okay, that SHIB essentially has skyrocketed more so when Doge came out, when we're looking at this, okay? When we're looking at this, you can tell that his skyrocketed even so more than Dogecoin when Dogecoin first came out. And I think that's very imperative, okay? Now and again, I don't know if you can buy this on Binance, but I know you can buy it here. So yet again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go over here and make an account. I didn't want to do all that in front of you, okay? Let's see if you guys have any comments and or questions. Let's see here. Conscience says, would you still recommend using investing with Robinhood? Yes, I would. I still would invest with Robinhood as one of my favorite platforms that started off as free. I didn't like what they did with, what was it? What was that stock? Not AMC. That stock that Wall Street Bets Group was playing with. I didn't like what they did with that. They shut it down. But all of Wall Street did that. You know, they played a dozens with it. So it wasn't just Robinhood. It was a lot of other platforms I found out about later. Okay. Conscious Music, in the description below, I have a link for Robinhood. You can use that where you get a free stock, and I get a free stock as well. Killer 187 says, I have both Robinhood and Webull. I do too as well. So a lot of people want to know some of the platforms I invest on. So I'll just tell you. I invest on Wealthfront. If you look at some of my old videos, I have a couple of videos on Wealthfront. So I invest on Wealthfront, Robinhood, Webull, Coinbase, Uphold. There's another one out there somewhere. I just want to make sure I give you all of those. Give me 1 second here. I've done some trading on Cash App. You know, Cash App, you can trade on some cryptocurrencies, not much. I think that's it. Oh, Fundrise, also invest with Fundrise. I think that's it for the most part. I used to have a Charles Schwab and a Fidelity account. And I also, and I have a Vanguard account where all my ETFs are. But I got rid of my Fidelity account. I got rid of my Charles Schwab account, and I pretty much did a rollover into my Robinhood account. And I haven't been doing too good. I've been doing okay in the past year. I've generated 10,000, if you guys can see that, in the past year. This is my portfolio. If you guys have been with me for a while, I was all the way up to around 46 grand, I believe, until I made some dumb, stupid mistakes with my money. So it occurs, 43,000, rounding up here. I was up to 26,000, but I made a bad investment with Tesla on an option trade, and boy, did I ever pay for it. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, this is Financial Literacy 101. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel where you get investing information, get out of debt, saving, all sorts of financial information in very, very different many ways. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. I don't care. But nonetheless, give me a thumb. But until next time, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have a great and wonderful day. Happy hump day. Learn money and be inspired. I'm out.